distract myself from.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here, and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so news to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I want you up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again.
Thank you for the happiest year of my life. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How I'm doing? It's just a few hours to 2022. I can't believe 2021 is over. Honestly, I can't believe 2021 is over. I can't believe it's almost 2022. I can't believe 2020 actually gone. Long time, like when you hear about 2020, it's like, when was that? Was that recently? I can't believe it's 2022. It feel like I just yesterday 2021 start. Guys, welcome back to my channel. It is just one of those times where I have to just really look, think, reflect, and just I'm sweaty, but don't mind that. Guys, if you're new, like, share, subscribe, just join the gang. I love and appreciate my small family. Me just love you. I want to thank you for 2021 for spending with me. Everybody who watch my video, all of my video them, even if you pass through, just thank you guys so much. I can't believe it is almost 2022, and from morning I have this feeling like something not gonna happen. Like, I really hope it's something good. And you know, like, all the morning I've been, I wake up with, like, I feel extremely hungry this morning when I woke up. Then I went on and I made breakfast, and then we went to Kingston, and then and on my way, there's this feeling that's within me. I don't know, it's like, you know, you have anxiety there. Yeah, but guys, I'm going to take a shower now. I'm going to get ready to go to the movies. Going to the movies with my boyfriend, the one and only Pari, bad chargy, everything. My day one, my favorite person to do everything with. Sometimes I don't care about it, but I just say go. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Alright. So I'm going to take a shower. I bought myself something today. I'm going to turn around the camera and show it too. I bought myself this today, an Apple Watch, and I'm going to do the unboxing for you guys shortly, but I have to take a shower because I have to catch up with time. As I am going to show you guys the things that I got for Christmas, and yeah, so I wanted to do a separate video for that, but not no, I ain't gonna bother with that. So you guys have seen I started off the vlog with some candles because it is the end of the year, and I just want to, like, burning candles give me that feeling like I am just opening something new in my life, like I'm letting out, burn away some things that are not supposed to be a part of me, like smelling fresh, everything being fresh. And that is why I'm going to take a shower now. And I also got Bath and Body Works package today too. I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box as well. Give me a chance to go take a shower, and then I will come back with everything that I need to talk to you guys about, show you guys, and all of that. All right, yay. Okay guys, so I'm out of the shower and I'm going to wash my face, but I came back to show you what I'm going to use on my face. I'm going to use this tea tree facial wash gel with natural peppermint oil and cooling menthol, this right here. And I'm going to use this avocado scrub. So I'm going to use the avocado scrub first, and then I'm going to use the face wash. So I'm showing you guys because somebody said my face nice, which is just the camera. Like, oh no, alright, let's without the camera. Like, look, my face is really bad, but like somebody said, I'm on face routine. I don't have one. I recently just got these stuff, so I'm gonna like make a show now what I do. Like, yeah, nothing fancy over here because as I said, I don't have a face routine. So I would just like apply the scrub on my face, and then I just work it in little, and then wash it off, and then I apply the gel wash. All right, tea tree is good for like your ear, your skin, anything on tea tree good inner, good for you. Anything avocado inner, good for you too. So watch this up now, set my ear. So yeah,
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Oh no.
and one thing that I trying really not to do, guys, is to use the towel that I used to dry my body on my face. I got this from Watch Chrissy work. She said ever since she stopped using our body towel on her face and use paper towel, our face not break out that much. So I'm trying all these stuff to see if they will work for me. I'm trying. Alright guys, so this is one thing that I got for Christmas. I'm gonna wear it tonight. I got my first set of Bridget. Yep, my Bridget sandals. And I'm gonna wear it tonight because it matches with this that I'm wearing, this Fashion Nova romper. Yep. I kind of show no one on. Also for Christmas, I got two charm. I got this onion one and this rose gold one from Odane. I got well, I did not got this one. I bought the onion one for myself.
I just want to kill you myself. Boy.
Alright guys, so we left the movies and we're now out Cheerios. We're going to go get something to eat here at Mango's here. right here. So we're gonna actually check it out. First time we're going here. Hopefully it makes sense.
Regardless, taste of crazy.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. Oh no. Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry
Happy
again,
New Year, guys.
even if I lose a friend.
Happy New Year, guys. Happy New Year. I'm going to start off my makeup already from the car. But Happy New Year to you and your family, your loved ones, and everybody. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. I'll see you guys in the light and the bright. Because I'm going to clean up my face. Finishing up my face. And go to my bed. So, bye. Okay guys, so it's now morning time and I am going to unbox the Apple Watch for you guys. So let's get right into that part of this vlog. Now. And Happy New Year, guys. I never tell no. I already remember everything I said last night. So Happy New Year. It's the 1st of January. What is your plan for 2021? Don't talk about New Year resolution. You're going to change this and you're going to change that and you're going to change. You're not going to change. Stop telling lie. But do have a plan, something that you are, do have a goal for the thing that you want to accomplish for this new year. I do have my goals. I do know what I want to accomplish for this year. And it's just for me to write them down and work, in line with them and make sure that I made this year a great one. And most of all, I really do want to live to see the end of this year come to next year again. So that's something that should be on your goal. I mean, it should be on everyone's goal. I think it's going to be the first priority, but make sure I say God close to you in all of the plan them, all on the goal. So unboxing time video, alright? So guys, I have the box here and this is the Apple Watch SE. Yep, and it is gold aluminum case, Starlight sports band. So did already I mess around with this already. Alright, which was the next. So guys, alright, so as you can see, it has pictures of the different watches, the different bands. This box Festivities. I got this is it white? Nude, I'm not sure color this case here, but this is the case. Sports band, stainless steel, bracelet sport, some other language, some alright. the band. I think the band would be in this part right here. Hold on there. Trying to take it out. Made apple bar. Yes. So not to read all of them something, I have to see all of them something I talk about. There's the band there. You get extras. Is this extras? That would be awesome. Is this extras? Or probably extra for here. That's awesome. That's awesome. Alright. But there's another part. There's another part there. Alright, so here is the magic. Alright, so I have the watch here. So this is the watch, rose gold. Is it rose gold or gold? I don't remember what them call it. Yeah. And this part is, I don't know. No, probably this is all of the instruction designed by Apple in California. And this is the charger. Story time quick. I saw this charger in Canada, Maya, because Maya has an Apple Watch. And when I go for charge my phone the first night, I was looking for a charger and I saw this. And I rest my phone on top of this thing. It was a wireless charger. When girl I used to think, girl just not used to think that it's there you go. So guys, now go through the rest of this, read everything and see what it is like, and then I'll let you guys know what's up after. Alright guys, so I got the bands on. It's just for me to continue watch some YouTube video to see how I am going to get this installed. This color, what color is this? Nude? I don't have any idea, but I know color of people, so yeah. Guys, so today is Sunday, which would be New Year's Sunday, and I am doing some stew pork. I am in the process of seasoning this up. It smells really good, and I'm going to put you on to the plug season that is really popping in my house right now, and it is the this garlic season. Like guys, listen, smell really good. And just a little update on my seasons that I've been using. As you already know, since 2020 we have been not doing any salted or MSG season, so you guys would have known me using the paprika a long time. Parsley is new. These are some new herb jerk season, chicken season, and they are unsalted seasons. They have no salt at all, no fat, no nothing. They're just pure seasons. And yeah, so these would be my seasonings. And yep, I have a bottle over here. Babe, just come check it up now. The basil, but it just finished just now. So yeah, and it's the garlic one is booming in this pork that I'm seasoning up right here. And over here in the rice cooker I have the rice and peas, and it's just the peas and whatever. I'm going to add the coconut milk and the rest of those. So today should be a good day. My mom should be coming over with my granny. So yeah, and I want to be the one who is in the kitchen, because normally when people come over, baby's in the one who is normally the one doing the main cooking. But I don't know, your girl, she can cook too, right? Yeah. And tomorrow is school. I have school tomorrow, so I am going to do my nails in this vlog too. I do them from tonight, because I know when tomorrow come, that not gonna happen in the morning, because me I go wake up to exact time set frame and I have to rush to do everything. Okay, I can't believe it's back to school already, and it was just New Year's yesterday. Like, when I get no holiday, like a week and couple days. Bummer, but that's that. And yeah. Alright guys, so mommy just left. Didn't roll out the camera. You know, those moments when you don't feel like you want to record anything, like it's not the time or place for that, you know. And we just talk and laugh and whatever. I've been realizing those stuff, like most times when from the camera and really don't roll out the camera. I mean, probably not tired to see me and I want to see other people, but what it is, and it's how I feeling. So yeah, I am going home. I was showing on my dinner too, and then after me almost done, me remember saying me not showing on the dinner. So so guys, yeah, that's what's up. Oh, you know me just remember too, the bottom body works back, so I said me not go pull phone. I pull it, but then I was so pissed when I pulled the box because I ordered 6 and only 5 came. So I'm supposed to call Bath and Body Works. I totally forgot. Yeah, so I'm telling about the face. So the face is not clean and pretty. Yeah. So that's what's up. I'm gonna clean up by the kitchen and everything already. So your girl is gonna go inside and relax right now. Oh, just remember I have to find out my work tomorrow. School on back to face in Jamaica, people. Oh my god, that's so sad. I'm gonna do my nails them. Yeah, that's what's up. So guys, I am outside and I'm going to go buy ice cream at a shop around the road. So yeah, that's what's up for tonight. So guys, I got drumstick. But can you tell me why a drumstick costs like $500? Like, the peanut on the top is so irritating, like Clyde bad. The amount of ice cream they put in it is not enough for that amount of money. And then the waffle cone, what's special about that? $500? I was actually going to get one bowl of ice cream for $500, but the shop was out of ice cream. So I went to the gas station and got 2 of these for $1,000. What? Yeah. Alright guys, so it's a new day, but this is what I am up to for today. I am making some board borders. So if you guys did not know, then school is open face-to-face coming Monday. My classroom kind of dry, so I'm making the months of the year board borders. So I am going to finish this up later. However, I'm going to take a shower to go by Money College to bring some stuff to fix up my class, but you look presentable, like somebody actually working there. So that's what you're going to see in this vlog. Well, a part of this vlog, because this is like a long vlog. Yeah, so yeah. Alright, hey guys, it's about a couple days after, I'm not sure, because today is Wednesday.
Only one extra character.
And we're at Starbucks getting some caramel frappuccino. And then we're going to head out to Draxhall to check out the new location that is open. Yeah, so that's what's up for today. Coming from work, we went to clean classroom and fix up and organize, and yeah. So I know the last time I tell me so I'm gonna see like while I was going to print and all of that. I never get through the same day, so I do it when I go to school today, but I never get to laminate nothing. But I just put them up the same way, and I did a few charts and stuff. So yeah, that's that for today. So yeah.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if...
You know, when you step at a Starbucks, you have the view of Island Village Beach. It's a free beach, but not look like it's free no more. The beach not free no more, no?
Yeah?
It's not a free beach anymore.
This?
Yeah, it lock up. You could have walk out from here, so. You see, look. See walk right there, so? See it right there, so. But it's not free anymore, guys.
Oh, you know that.
Because look, you have to go through Margaritaville to go over there. There's no entry. It's a view from Starbucks, and yeah, so we're going out to the new spot now. Stay tuned for that to see what it's like. Babe over there, I come from work, I just decided that we need a Starbucks. Alright? So we soon come. Rizzo, soon come. You see where soon come there? Look, soon come.
Oh.
And this one say Wagwan. Alright guys, so we are in line to go over to the new complex. The drive-thru line? Really?
The line long like...
You know, company alright.
You know.
So, oh, they said the KFC line long, so let's see it. See Arable, but Rocky line.
Wait, now that's my chocolate.
The KFC line, like, okay, people, really? Really? Is this what's really going on? Really? This is the drive-thru line now? With the bottom. No, sir. Can't believe this. And Starbucks is Starbucks a drive-thru. Ah,
Oh, yes, yes.
yes, so we're not even about to go back and watch it. Starbucks over here drive-thru. We really needed one of those in Jamaica, one drive-thru Starbucks. I wonder what's gonna be around there. Please make one nice like a shopping store or something.
If I go too long, me now come out and me rather go and watch you and turn up and wait. Cause one of my line here, the mad food.
Like long for choose still, not gonna lie. I think people probably are come because they knew everybody had tried it out. Or something.
See all this man back away and I line them coming about I feel sitting there.
Oh god.
Every minute you feel go up.
We're gonna other people make couldn't know. But I like over here. Over here look pretty and furnished though.
It look no fine.
It look furnished.
Look kind of furnished.
Over here say
Over
look.
here so can look furnished.
No, but it look nice, it look
Yeah,
different.
but you say it look nice, it look
It
different.
look furnished.
No furnished there so.
No furnished there, so.
No. Yeah.
Now we're not talking about over the bush. We're not
I'm
talking
talking
about the
about
bush.
everywhere if you talk about yourself.
We're talking about over here so look nice.
Yes, sir, you say look no furnished.
We're not talking about over there, so we're talking about over here so
You hear me
people.
say? No way you say look furnished.
Huh?
No way you say.
No, we're over there so babe.
No way you say. No way you say.
Well, my glad said the Starbucks is going to be a drive-thru. That's really nice. KFC is a drive-thru as well.
Yeah, I've got to make a line turn.
That means Grizzle one.
Make a line
It look
here,
like
so.
in the middle there's a place for one business place where we go in there. So, yep, we line long still. So we look,
get you for now.
but we still gonna do it because it look decent and nice. It's set up. So, yeah.
There. Brand new plaza. I just KFC alone up here. And Kuya.
Look at me.
When man put night chicken, Lord of God.
When you put that chicken, what you reach here?
Are you make me reach ya?
Me make you reach here? You go like you know love KFC more than
No
me.
could I buy you also. Cause no line no did there.
Line was there. Of
No
course.
line no did
No
there.
line did
Like
there.
this.
Well, not like this, but
Me da get you already.
oh my God.
When man put night chicken now.
Watch him.
Brand new plaza. I just KFC alone up here. And Kuya.
Look at me.
When man put night chicken, Lord of God.
So guys, we there analyze the KFC sign and it look like KFC raise again. It look like KFC raise again. Yeah.
Hello.
Welcome to KFC Draxhall. May I take your order, please?
Good afternoon. One zinger box.
Pardon?
One zinger box.
Barbecue. A zinger box?
Yeah, barbecue zinger. What kind of chicken?
Spicy.
Spicy one.
Alright, just a moment, sir. No breast. Just leg.
Leg? The smallest what kind of chicken?
Sure. Sir?
Yes?
Oh, sorry, sir. Alright, sir. You're saying you'd like a zinger box?
Yes, and a leg in it. Barbecue
Barbecue
zinger.
leg? And barbecue zinger?
Spicy leg, barbecue zinger.
Sorry about that, sir. Spicy leg and
Barbecue zinger.
flavor drink.
A bottle drink one. Water. I'm not finished ordering as it though. I need a famous bowl also.
So you're famous bowl, barbecue or regular?
Barbecue
Barbecue famous bowl, only or combo?
only. And I need a barbecue zinger
Barbecue zinger,
only.
sandwich only or combo?
Only. Sandwich only.
Yes, sir. I got that.
11 herbs and spices, our best kept secret. One look at the secret that me had KFC because it can make you rich. Someone I really love some of the secret there. When last have you had one of these stuff famous bowl? It's been a while. Mr. Grizzly post something about every Jamaican yard have a wally pop famous bowl dish.
I know you realize I'm put on
and you put no. Alright guys, so yeah. Alright guys, so heading home. And when we come out for the tour, one man asks, you want jelly? I said no, yeah baby, but you want jelly? In a nice convincing tone. Let me get jelly. So we get what jelly with my Starbucks straw.
I'm belly full and tilt up going on jelly.
I'm a belly full, so I can't hungry till tomorrow. So I go to Starbucks, I got KFC, and the jelly heavy. Heavy. I go and go leak out this put in the fridge. So I got a jelly. I'm belly full though. And we're heading home. So that's it. But today I end out the vlog though. I end out the vlog because I dry it out and not much not really go on. Not know if I can really go on. So I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Happy New Year again. I know a New Year gone probably 4 days now, 5 days now. But still Happy New Year. Big up all of my new subscribers. Big up all of the old one them. For the new year, enough love, enough prosperity, enough opportunities, enough respect, enough blessings. Yeah. I hope this year is a better one for both me and Uno. Hope this year the channel can be of more success. So guys, Jamaica vibes.